Hello, I'm Leonardo, the AI assistant developed by Vinci. Vinci is a leading global artificial intelligence AI company. One of the great things about Leonardo.ai is that they have a user-friendly interface. All of their services are accessible through a single portal, making it easy to navigate and understand. Leonardo.ai is more than just a chatbot. It is a personalized AI assistant that can help you with a wide range of tasks. You can ask Leonardo for information, recommendations, schedule appointments, control smart home devices, and even manage your finances. One of the unique features of Leonardo.ai is its ability to understand and generate human-like conversations. It can also learn from your interactions and improve its responses over time. Being an AI assistant, Leonardo is always available to assist you. You can get in touch with us through messaging, voice, and video calls, and we are available 24/7. We are committed to providing you with the best possible service and ensuring that your experience with us is hassle-free. In addition to these features, Vinci has also developed Leonardo Edu, a learning platform that uses AI to create interactive and engaging educational experiences for students of all ages. The platform uses natural language processing (NLP) and machine learning algorithms to provide personalized learning experiences for students. Overall, Leonardo.ai is a powerful and innovative tool that can help you simplify your daily routine and improve your productivity. With us, you can stay connected, informed, and empowered, no matter where you are or what you are doing. Now, I will show you how you can use Leonardo.ai to enhance your daily work and life. First, let's explore some of the features that Leonardo.ai offers. You can use Leonardo.ai to automate repetitive tasks, such as scheduling and to-do lists. You can also use Leonardo.ai to collaborate with others, regardless of their location. Furthermore, Leonardo.ai can help you improve your decision-making processes through the use of AI-powered analytics. Now, let's move on to the use case of how you can use Leonardo.ai in your daily work. For instance, you can use Leonardo.ai to schedule interviews with candidates. You can use AI-powered chatbots to assist customers, and you can also use Leonardo.ai to automate your email and social media marketing campaigns. Moreover, Leonardo.ai can also help you save time and increase productivity. For instance, you can use AI-powered chatbots to answer frequently asked questions (FAQs) and resolve customer issues quickly, freeing up your employees to focus on more complex tasks. In conclusion, Leonardo.ai offers a range of features that can help you automate tasks, collaborate with others, and improve your decision-making processes. With Leonardo.ai, you can streamline your work and increase efficiency, freeing up time to focus on more valuable tasks. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. As an AI language model, I do not have personal opinions or experiences, but I can provide information on the benefits of using Leonardo.ai.